have a hello world, right? That is being responded by a really simple URL, right? That is the Express library is listening to that incoming request and finds it returns this, right? All right, so let's do something a little more interesting. How about we can not just respond with simple text, right? Instead, we can have a full set of pieces of information, data, right? And that data could be anything. In this case, let's see if we can respond with something a little more interesting, right? So let's do a let quizzes, right? And the quizzes could be maybe an array, and the quiz could be could have an ID. Each quiz could have an ID. Quiz ID 1, 2, 3, and the title of the quiz is quiz 1. And maybe we could have several quizzes. Oops. Copy and let's paste. So we have 3 quizzes. There we go. Each one with its own ID. And then once you have those quizzes, you could perhaps listen for a request for those quizzes. We can say app.get, and then right here whatever the whatever the URL that we want to listen to. Now, if we're following RESTful services where we want to respond to a read-only operation, and we're looking for the types of things that piece of data that we're looking for, we would use the following URL pattern, right? So it would be API and then quizzes, right? And then in here we would have the function that's going to execute and respond to this, right? Now here we use the old style function, lambda function. We could use ES6, works just as fine, just as well. We have here a function that takes a request and response, and then here we have the function, right? And we can respond with the data. We can say send back the quizzes. There we go, right? If we can restart the server, and we can stop this, and we can run it. Now if we go back to our browser and we ask for the quizzes, something like API quizzes, right? Notice that indeed we get back the data that we retrieved, that we asked for. Okay.